Good day, everybody. Look at Mother Nature. She looking fine today. Now, I'm Arthur and I'm with Performance Hunters. Today we're going to be covering the C450 AMG Mercedes.
She say that she a wanderlust, but she ain't seen the world, so much to do at 21. You feel invincible, so hard to find someone to trust. She's still a daddy's girl, she wanna be an actress and a singer like Selena. And she a movie buff, but she ain't seen Breakfast at Tiffany's or Breakfast Club. That's just before her time, so hard to keep a conversation when your mind's on vacation. You got pretty green eyes, I can see them dollar signs, girl. I heard that you addicted to them sands now, girl. Go ahead with your sleepy ass. Go ahead. Shawty, give me a reason. You know that I'm leaving. Give me a reason. You know that I'm leaving. I know how to please you, let it stay in the freezer. It's all that you need, so baby,
So the C450 AMG is the perfect entry-level car for those of you who want to get their feet wet into Mercedes AMG lineup. It's a bit faster than the C300. Actually, it's a lot faster than the C300, but it's a bit slower than the C63. It's kind of that perfect in-between, you know, that lukewarm water you love when you shower. So the engineers back at Mercedes gave her a twin-turb ski and intercooled 24-valve V6 engine with direct fuel injection, so that she's pushing 4.5 seconds 0 to 60s here. She pushes 362 horses and is a 7-speed automatic with paddle shifters that caps out at 155 miles per hour, just 45 shy of 200. Now let's give her a bit of a more close-up tour. The eggheads back at Mercedes gave the Benz 5 different modes you can use when you're driving around. We'll start with the most boring to the most fun. First one being eco, the second one being comfort, the third being sport, the fourth being sport plus, and the fifth being individual, which is basically a mix between as many of them as you'd like to use. So when the car's in comfort, it smoothly glides over the paved road, but kicking it in the sport mode would cause it to get tighter suspension and tighter handling. So the steering wheel would become a little bit stiffer and the ride itself would feel a little more rigid. Hitting those potholes, it isn't always as enjoyable in sport mode as it is in comfort, but you know, who likes potholes in general? Even if I'm driving a Prius, I still wouldn't want to hit a pothole. If you're ever thinking of owning this car, if you do currently own it, and if you haven't tried it yet, activate manual mode, put it in the Sport Plus, and start driving that way. It's pretty fun. It tells you when to shift, you know. There's a little console in front of the steering wheel, and it tells you the best time to shift if you want to be economic, or the best time to shift if you're really sporty. The best thing about that is the backfiring sound, which comes stock. So this C450 AMG has everything we love about luxury sports cars, and even more. My favorite thing is the leather seats when they get hot in the sun. I'm just messing with you guys. Actually, everything about this car is perfect. You've seen the red seatbelts, you've seen the red stitching, you've seen the infotainment system, and it looks beautiful. The cool thing about this car too is that it fits all types of budgets and all types of buyers. It could be your first car because it doesn't have the killer horsepower of a C63. So if you buy this for your teen, they're not going to go and drive into a tree. Also, if you're a family man or if you're a family woman, buying this car leaves plenty of space for the children and for the groceries in the back. The only downside is that it's not a truck and you can't be carrying logs or anything. Who goes logging in a Mercedes anyways? Hey, but that's enough about specs and, you know, information and all that. I know what y'all came here for, and we're about to get into it. It's the drive itself, all right? Let's have some fun.
Okay, everybody, so we're in the Mercedes and we're going to take it for a little test drive down our local windy roads. Now, we're going to be hitting some twisties and we're going to get some footage of neighborhood driving in a little city environment with a lot of stoplights, and then driving the little backcountry. Now, I'm going to shut up for most of the video so you guys can hear the sexy sounds of the exhaust note, and I hope you all enjoy the rest of the video. Those downshifts are so freaking nice. Okay, so we made it to the proving grounds, and now I'm turning off manual mode because I'm not the best driver in the world yet. I wish I could be, but here's the twisties and turns. We're on to it. Thank you everybody for watching. I hope you all enjoyed the ride alongside in the C450 AMG Mercedes. I will see you guys in another video. Peace.
Tiffany's a breakfast club. It's just before it time, so hard to keep a conversation when your mind's on vacation. You got pretty green eyes, I can see them dollar signs, girl.